Hello students, now divisional part of previous one. Exercise 9. We are doing exercise 9. Simplification. First one was easy. Now I am doing 23. See what is the difference between 21 and 23. It is given 2a plus 3b whole cube plus 2a minus 3b whole cube plus 12a into 4a square minus 9b square. Clear? It is not given in that form. Exactly in that form, a plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square plus b cube. It is not given in that form. It is basically given based on second form, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now here we have to arrange, not arranged properly. Suppose it is your a, it is your b. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. Now see, it is in the form of a square minus b square, that is 2a whole square minus 3b whole square. From there what you are getting, 2a plus 3b into 2a minus 3b. It is in the form I am writing here. It is in the form of 2a square minus 3b square. So from here a square minus b square form, we can write 2a plus 3b into 2a minus 3b. So from here I have got this. Okay. Now 3 I have taken. There is 4a. This we have to adjust. What is the second form of a plus b whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. We have got a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into, only left a plus b term. So our a is this 2a plus 3b plus 2a minus 3b. Now see, this is plus, this is minus. It will be cancelled out. 2a plus 2a means 4a. 4a into 3, 12a. Clear? So how I have adjusted? Here I have applied the formula of a square minus b square. This is in the form of 2a whole square minus 3b whole square. From there we are getting a 2a plus 3b, a plus b into a minus b. Clear? So 3ab over into a plus b. My a is this, b is this, a plus b. So 3b, 3b will be cancelled out. 2a plus 2a, 4a, 4a into 3, 12a. So this expression I have adjusted in this way. Now it will fit in that formula a plus b whole cube. I have got a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So this equals to, we can write now, a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube. This plus this minus cancel out. 2a plus 2a, 4a. Now 4 whole cube means 4 4s are 60, 64 a cube. Clear? First one was easy. That was given in just first formula. A plus b whole cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. But 23 not given in that form. We have to arrange. Clear? In this way we will arrange. So sum number 29 also same type you will arrange in this form. Clear? Then we have to do next time. Find the value of this. This was from simplification part. Now find the value. I am showing you number 31. 55 whole cube plus 3 into 45 plus 3 into This is given. Clear? Now we'll consider, let this be A and this be B. Now see, it is given in that form. A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. So you know the formula now. This equals to, we can write A plus B whole cube. So big multiplication by using formula, it is coming to simpler form. Clear? This is the advantage of using formula. Now you add 5 is 10, 100. So 100 whole cube means 206 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you don't know this formula, so you have to multiply so big terms. Clear? But you know the formula, so directly you can apply this formula and it will be easier for you. Then this type of sum you can do yourself. It is given. Okay, number 32 I am doing, that is by the second form we have to do. Second form of the formula we have to do. 32. 60 whole cube plus 30 whole cube plus 3 into 60 into 30 into 90. Now again second form, A plus B whole cube. A cube plus B cube plus 3. Your A is this, A into B. This part is over. Only there is 90. I have to adjust that. How? A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. A plus B. 60 plus 30, 90. So I have written in that form also. Clear? Now it is coming that formula, A plus B whole cube. Now add 9 9s are 81, 729, okay, 729 and then 3 zeros. Clear? This is coming by using second form of the formula. Now next type you will get in next video.